Guys, we got us a 2019 GMC 5.3 liter V8 Sierra. Factory converters there and there. And in 19, they don't come with the third cat, which is awesome. So we did true dual all the way back. And you always want to cross them to equalize back pressure. Right there. All the way 2 1/4. All the way back. On each side. And then it goes into, we took the factory tips out and put these black tips in its place. Came out really beautiful, as you guys can see right there and there. Quads, there and there. There'll be a link in the description for them. And for the piping, not really. There's the old pipe that was on it that we cut off. We took all that off, as you guys can see right there. Replace it with this. It looks so much nicer, so much cleaner. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it.